Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 43. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the story. Right now, Queen Jiangshu's father was there. Dad, I have no appetite. Please go back. And Si Shanning was there, teasing her again. Well, her father seems to be sad and said to her, okay, baby, Dad, think about it. That your life in the palace is not easy either. So right now, she's trying to console her. Although, Jiangshu said to her dad, no, now that we have left the palace privately, there's no need to miss this moment. Oh, her father suddenly becomes so soft to her. Although right now, her father said there's a fireworks displays in the Beijing in the evening. So go watch an excitement and relax. Oh, right now, dad seems to be cool. Although, not only did you not urge me to return to the palace, but you also asked me to go outside. Are you really afraid that Shishaning will punish the Jiang family for covering up these incidents? Although we haven't been together for long, Father Jiang is really nice to me. If I really fall out with Shishaning, the Jiang family will probably. Oh, right now she suddenly paused. I will return to the palace tomorrow to apologize to Shishaning. Father said, that's fine, after all. Oh, again. In Jiangsu, she suddenly became boss. Shishaning is gloomy, vicious, and narrow-minded. If you can figure it out, don't be too impulsive. Oh, after hearing this, of course, she was really scared of her life. What Shishaning has done, any unjust things will become the target of public criticism sooner or later. You have to believe in yourself and you will get it truly. Oh, right now, Jiangshu. Her father said so many things and Shishaning was there. Of course, you can just shut up. Now, she said to her father, she don't want to continue these arguments. Also, she was afraid of Shishaning. I will leave you. Baby, don't forget to go and watch the fireworks displays at night. Can I still get out of the store? Right now, she is afraid of herself. The situation is getting better. Why are you putting on a bitter face? Right now, she suddenly paused. Of course, she was afraid Shishaning might punish her again, but right now, look at her. She said to her, sister, are you not angry? Shishaning said, angry. Her father seems to be right. Jiang Yushi has always been upright and what she said has never been true. In front of everyone, it doesn't look like that. Oh, it turns out she was really confident on herself that the target of public criticism. Oh, right now, Shanning, she is not really angry at her, although it seems to be. So that's why she looks sad again. Well, we can really blame her. This incident is really too tiring. She feels really exhausted, but right now it seems to be changed. If it were before, I would definitely wish that she would be dismembered as soon as possible, but right now, she feels really sad about it. Well, did she really fall in love with her? Or she really care about her so much? If I could change Jiangshu's fate, so she means that she really want to change her own fate. But can Shishaning's ending be different from that in the books of history? Right now, Shishaning moved closer to her and patting her head, and it really makes sense. Queen Shishaning, she was really confident on herself. Rest assured, I'm in a good mood today. I won't punish your father for the sins. Oh, she was really cool. So, she can be forgivable at this moment. It's not easy to leave the palace even once, so I will reluctantly accompany you to have some more fun. Since neither of us is in the palace, so Jiangshu was thinking about it. So maybe someone will recognize them. Right now, Queen Shishaning, let's take a break with the royal families first. So she carried her, and the two of them will go out to have more fun. Jiangshu at this moment said to her, wait, why did you go to bed again? Oh, it turns out you really get weak. It was lively. Night seems to be majestic. It looks really cool. A lot of lights and so on. Right now, the two of them are walking on the streets, holding her hands together. Transitioning, she looks really cool on her outfit. She looks really beautiful. Sister, we are arrogant like this. What should we do if someone recognizes us? Maybe someone. You finally came out once. I just want to make you feel more comfortable. Since you are worried, how about we buy mask? Transitioning is suggesting her. This lady is selling a mask and said, "Two beautiful girls, do you want to buy mask?" The mask seller lady, she is good at talking about her clients. And have no servants to follow them. They come secretly to participate in the fireworks display. Buy a mask, it's guaranteed to save you a lot of trouble. You said, so what do you recommend? Queen Jiangshu is asking the lady. Right now, she was pointing to that mask. This book is for loving and beautiful couples. Oh, that lady, he was really tricky and trying to coax them. But looking at it, the two ladies traveling together, hand in hand, I think the relationship between the sisters is also very good. The ladies said to them, but right now, Queen Shishaning, she took out the pocket money and gave it to the lady. Oh, she looks really generous, although right now, Jiangshu, she seems to like these two masks. Oh, it turns out, it really looks beautiful on her. It really suits her so much. Well, after wearing the half mask, right now, she said to herself that it really suits her. She looks really cool and beautiful. Well, what about Queen Shishaning? Will it look good if I wear it? Queen Jiangshu is asking Shishaning. Right now, Shishaning said yes. Well, definitely, she looks really gorgeous. The lady was originally very beautiful, but now she puts on the mask and she looks like a fairy from heaven descending to earth. Right now, Queen Jiangshu said, thanks. Right now, holding her mask, she looks really happy. Well, maybe she already calmed down and relaxed themselves together. Thanks for supporting this channel. Thank you for joining membership. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.